attracting someone who seems out of your league is more about mindset, self-improvement, and how you approach the relationship rather than relying on superficial factors. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Confidence is key. Believe in yourself. Confidence doesn't mean arrogance, but knowing your worth and not being intimidated by someone you find impressive. Focus on self-improvement. Cultivate your passions, skills, and interests. People are naturally drawn to those who are confident in who they are. Be genuine. Authenticity matters. Pretending to be someone you're not is a quick way to set up a facade that will eventually crumble. Be real about your intentions and show her who you truly are. Show respect. Respect her as an individual, not as an idealized figure. Genuine respect is attractive. Develop good communication, meaning you should listen more than you talk. People appreciate being heard. Be a good listener and engage in meaningful conversations. Be witty and lighthearted. Humor and intelligence often go a long way. Make her laugh without trying too hard. Create opportunities for connection, like shared experiences. Engage in activities or hobbies where you're likely to cross paths, giving you natural opportunities to bond. Be patient. Building any meaningful relationship takes time. Don't rush or put pressure on her. Let things develop naturally. Personal growth. Continuously improve yourself, whether it's your career, physical health, or mental well-being. Being the best version of yourself will naturally attract people. Work on being charming, kind, and emotionally intelligent. A good social presence and the ability to connect with people goes a long way. Be kind and considerate. Show that you care about her as a person, not just as a romantic prospect. Small gestures of kindness, thoughtfulness, and respect are often more meaningful than big, extravagant displays. Be clear about your intentions. While mystery can be fun, don't overcomplicate things. Being straightforward and honest is always more attractive than playing hard to get. Accept the outcome. Not everyone will reciprocate your feelings, and that's okay. A mature attitude towards rejection shows strength and confidence. Ultimately, it's about creating a genuine connection. If she's out of your league in terms of looks, status, or background, remember that attraction is about much more than these surface-level qualities. Being someone who is kind, interesting, and self-assured will make you stand out in a way that will be hard to ignore. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please press the subscribe button.